Alright, I'm going to show you how to create a screencast for your vocabulary videos, kind of some ideas maybe. And so what I'm using to record my screen is Screencast-O-Matic. And I go to the website, I hit start recording. You might have to install some Java stuff or whatever. Just hit run or OK. And you'll get a box that'll pop up on your screen, kind of show you what do you want to record on your screen. And then what I've done is created a couple presentations, so you can use something similar to a PowerPoint or a Google presentations. And what I'm doing is just on full screen here, and now I can go through and you can have some images, things like that, whatever you want on your video, and walk you through how to do different things or different use it in a sentence. You can ask questions, and so that's a Google presentation, pretty easy, or a PowerPoint will do the same thing. Or you can use something like Prezi if you want a little more theatrics in your presentation. And so what this is I just did like a Civil War word of the day, for example, and so we're going to talk about cash crop. And so we have cash crop, and so I have, what is cash crop? It's something that is grown for a profit. And can you think of an example of a cash crop we grow today? And then I'll pause, give students the opportunity to answer, or I can hit pause in the video. Is this a cash crop? Yes, that is a cash crop. That's corn, and people grow it in western Minnesota, all over the country here, and sell it for a profit. They sell it. They don't sell it to eat, or they don't grow it to eat. Excuse me. They grow it for money. They sell it. Is this a cash crop? This is a tomato. Now, grown in your own garden, you're growing it to eat it. You're not really necessarily growing it to make a profit. Now, you could make an argument that you can go to a farmer's market and sell it, but not necessarily. You're not growing it to tons of it unless you have a huge garden of tomatoes. But for the most part, you're growing it to eat and maybe sell a little bit on the side. Now, in the Civil War, we had cash crops such as cotton in the South. People were growing cotton to make a profit, and they also were growing tobacco in the South to make a profit. And so these would be two examples of cash crops during the Civil War. And so that was using a Prezi to do vocabulary. And again, you can change or obviously do something different. And so from there, what you can do is take your video, and when you're done, now I can't show you because I'll be stopping my video, but I can take a video. It'll ask you, what do you want to do with that video? Do you want to upload it to Screencast-O-Matic? Do you want to upload it to YouTube, or do you want to upload or create a file? I always like creating a file because then I can do multiple things with it. You can also upload it straight to YouTube if you want, if that's what you want to do. Create a YouTube channel, pretty easy, especially if you have a Google account. And you just kind of connect your Google account to Screencast-O-Matic, and you can upload it straight to YouTube basically by a click. Pretty slick. And so what I can do then, I take those files, and so for instance, here's our update from the other day, or from today actually, the 22nd. And now I can do a couple things with that file. If I want, I can upload it straight to YouTube if I want, using the YouTube uploader, or I like to use something called WeVideo, free video editing. And what I'll do is I'll log in. It actually integrates with your Google account, so I'll sign in with Google, and I'll sign in with our Mervet account here so you can get a chance to see the dashboard a little bit. And so what WeVideo will allow me to do, I just go to create a video. It'll allow me to add title overlays if I want to add some music in the background. You can also add video, things like that, any other video, pictures, anything. And so what I do is I'm going to upload, which I've already done, but I'm going to upload my video from my desktop. And then eventually it'll show up in my editor here as a video. You also have backgrounds here too, and so this is where I add different types of backgrounds. You just take it and drag it. It's just a regular video editor. You also have graphics, and so if I want to put something over the top of that video, I can, and I can drag it. Just hit the edit button, and it allows me to edit. Kind of neat. Change color, all that kind of stuff is over here. I hit done. And now in my video, when I hit play, and so there's my background behind some text. If I want to add now the video that I created, I go to videos, and obviously me, and there's March 22nd, and I just take it and I can drag it down. And from here too, I can again add different title overlays over my video. If I want to add anything, I can. That way, if you want to add your name, ending credits, or something, whatever you want. There's also a spot for audio as well. And so you can take audio, and I can just add that audio down to the bottom as well. And then I hit play, it'll kind of throw it all together for me. And here you'll have music behind the text at the beginning, if that's what you want. But it's a good way to kind of mash up, edit different things as well for your video. So that's called WeVideo. Pretty easy. And you can take it, you can publish it. Once you're done, publish to, and all you have to do is connect your YouTube account. You can also connect your Google Drive account. It'll go there as well. You just tell it where you want to publish it to, and it'll go there. Now if you're not comfortable with YouTube or Screencast-O-Matic and you want to try something else, what you can do is go into your Google Drive, and you can take that video file and just go to upload in your Google Drive, find your video, start your upload, and your video will upload. I'm just going to go find one so we don't have to wait here. And so for instance, if I want this video and I want to share that video with my students, so I click on it and here's the video. I hit share. Just going to make this public on the web. Hit save. Take this URL, copy it, and now I can put it on my website as a link of your video. And so that'd be an easy way to add these videos and make a collection of them on your website, and so they're saved. And so a couple things what you can do. Again, you can use a presentation in a screencast and record your voice behind it, things like that, kind of what I'm doing right now. And then it's basically what do you want to do with that after you have it created is, again, upload it to YouTube, take that file, save it as a file from Screencast-O-Matic and upload it to your Google Docs, and get a link. Make sure you again make it public, copy the link, put that link on your website as a collection of resources there. Again, a YouTube channel can do the same thing. You'll have a collection of them out there as well. And then once they're out there, you really can delete the file and get that off your computer because they're uploaded to the internet somewhere. And so a couple options there for you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Hopefully that answered your question.